Cooking Apa.
Hi, this is Cooking Apa. Today, there are some dish that you cook one dish, but it can actually turns out to be few dishes. Today, Apa is going to make that particular dish. Yeah, it is called braised pork leg or pork leg stew. Right? So how does it become many other dish? Let me show you. So besides braising the pork leg, we can actually use the same broth to braise some fuzu, to braise mushroom, shiitake mushroom. We can use it to braise tofu, and we can use it to braise egg. So it's going to turn out to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 dishes, or one main dishes with 4 side dishes. You can also put in the enoki mushroom also. There's a lot of things that you can actually braise, or chicken feet, a lot of things. So some of it I'm going to braise together. Some of it I'm going to braise once everything is ready. So I'm going to show you how to do it. So first thing, you need to prep your pork leg, which is the blanching process. Do not skip this step. Prepare a pot of cold water. Put the pork leg inside the cold water. Put some ginger and Shaoxing wine. Then raise the heat. Raise the heat and let it boil for a couple of minutes. Then wash. You are going to see a lot of scums releases, and then wash your pork leg. Yeah, that will be a perfect blanching process. Which then your pork leg will come out like this, and this process will reduce at least 90% of the gaminess. So let's look at some herbs that we're going to put in. I will putting in some minced garlic shallot and also ginger slices, and I have bought liao bao. This is a ready-made braised powders. Posh. You can just get it from any Chinese herbs store, Chinese herbal store. If you can't find any nearby Chinese herbal store, then what you can do is you can just put in a bit of cinnamon stick, bay leaf, and also 2 or 3 star anise. Then that will help. But this one, of course, it will you have even stronger flavor because it has a mixture of much more spices or herbs. Then depending on the side dishes you want to put in, this is dried shiitake mushroom, so you need to soak it under water and also remove the middle stem. I have 1 piece of tofu, few pieces of hard-boiled egg. This is fried fuzu sheet. Let's prepare some braised broth. Give it a little bit of oil here and heat it up. Then we'll put in the garlic, ginger, and also shallot. Saute them a bit to bring out the nice fragrance. We'll come back shortly. Once you start to see the garlic shallot started to brown, we can actually put in, this is the water I used to soak my mushroom just now. Some hot filtered water. Of course, this is the xiang liao bao, the herbs packet, Chinese herbs packet. So now we are going to season this. First of all, a few rounds of light soy sauce. That is the base flavor. Good amount of Shaoxing wine. Some dark soy sauce. Some of my Cooking Apa chicken stock powder and finish off this bottle. Usually I finish 1 bottle in about 2 months. Some rock sugar. about 1 tablespoon. To give it extra flavor, I'm going to put in some fried onion here. I don't mind giving it some black pepper and a bit of white pepper. So let's bring this broth to boil. And then our yummy braised broth is ready. I almost forgot, you need to put in some salt. I start off with 1 teaspoon of salt here. Right, then we're going to start to put everything inside the inner pot of my pressure cooker. First of all, the blanched pork. I'll put in the tofu at the side. Let me arrange it a bit. And I will also put in the shiitake mushroom. Only the beancurd sheet, the fuzu, I will braise it separately because that one is for the hot pot style. So it takes less than 1 minute. Yeah. Let me clear my kitchen top. Always good to clear kitchen top as you cook. Did I mention I actually have about 1.2 kg of pork leg just now? I probably forgot. Alright, then we put in the braised broth. Right, just nice to put everything submerged under the broth. And we shall put this into the pressure cooker and pressure cook it for approximately using high pressure for about half an hour. Alright, here's my pressure cooker. Put in the inner pot. Lock it. I'm going to use, let me see. I'm going to use pressure cook, high pressure, 30 minutes. Start. So the pressure cooker is going to do 3 processes. Number 1, boil it, and then you will create the pressure, number 1. Number 2, you will pressure cook. Number 3, you will release the pressure. All in all, it's going to take about plus minus about 1 hour. Yeah. If you use normal pot, just boil the broth and then close the lid, lower it down to medium low heat and let it cook for approximately 2 hours. Yeah, for pork leg you need about 2 hours. But one thing you need to take note when you're using a normal pot, the water will evaporate. So you do need to come in and check the water level every half an hour or 45 minutes. If it reduces, you do have to add in more water. That's why I always prefer to use pressure cooker to expedite and make things easier for me. So just wait for it, and after 1 hour, it will be done. Basically, this is after pressure release after about 20 minutes. So I manually release the balance. Total cooking time, slightly less than 1 hour here. Right, so you just want to wait for this to drop. That's the pressure valve. After it is dropped, then it is safe to open the pressure cooker. Right. Now we can open it. Wow. Oh, it's still sizzling inside. Let me try to show you. Right. Look at how beautiful it is. Wow, so fragrant. So now I'm going to take out this, and I still have some fuzu, but let me take out some of it first, and then I will put in the fuzu here. Because the fuzu that I bought is like a hot pot style of fuzu, instant fuzu, yeah? So let me slowly take out all this. See? Look at the skin. All right, I've taken out some of the meat, everything. I'm going to put in the fuzhou. Yeah, this is, like I said, this is the hot pot style. You don't really need to cook it, just need to soak it. When it is softened, then good enough. Now, for those of you who prefer a more thicker broth, very easy. After all this is cooked, all you need to do is just to take out the remaining broth and go and cook it for another, use a pan or the wok to cook your broth for another like 10 minutes, 10-15 minutes. Then it will actually reduce by itself and thicken up by itself. Or if you want it faster, you can put in some cornstarch solution. So it's really up to you how you prefer to have your dinner. There's no rules in Appa kitchen. Appa prefer the more watery style. All right, look at how many dishes I've made at the same time. The main dish here is actually the pork leg. Yeah, the pork leg, braised pork leg. Then I braise the pork leg together with shiitake mushroom, tofu, and also hard-boiled egg. And towards the end, I just put in some dried fuzhou. That's how simple it is to make a very nice home-cooked dinner. If you like my video, do share my video on your Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook fan page to click like and follow button. Follow Appa on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.